Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity, which was very familiar because you just have to add s or es to make these singular nouns into plural ones. Today we are going to be looking at several rules of making singular noun to plural noun. The first rule is very important and easy, and it is relevant to the LIFT, which says change the regular nouns into irregular nouns. For example, child to children and leaf to leaves. So meanwhile, we are going to revise some rules as well. This is your focus look like in your book, but we are going to dive deeper. These are certain examples which you can read after the end of this video. So certain words follow very simple rule. You just have to add s to make them plural. For example, book. If you want to make it plural, just add s. Very simple. Now, there are certain nouns which ends at s, x, z, ch, sh or o. In these cases, if you want to make them plural, you have to add es. Now look at some examples. Box. As you can see, it is ending with the word x. So what should I write to make it plural? S or es? You are right. Es. We have to add es with the word box to make them plural. We have one more example, bus. Yes, it is ending with the letter S, so we have to add es to make it plural. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Now, watch. Can you see that it is ending with the letter C and H? So what should I add, S or es to make it plural? Absolutely right. Es is the correct addition. Dishes. How to make it dishes? Either by adding s or es? Es, my dear. Es will turn it into plural. Now, sometimes the last word, letter Y changes into IES. For example, if the word is baby, we replace the Y with IES and we do not add S. Now, yes, this is how you're going to turn the baby singular into plural, which is babies. These are certain other examples in your book which do not follow the regular rules. For example, man is singular, but men is plural. We only change or replace a with the e to make it plural. Same goes with the women. We replaced a with e. We change child into children, tooth into teeth, foot into feet, goose into geese, and mouse into mice. Remember, if there is one, we call it mouse. If there are lots of, we call it mice. So you have to learn them by heart. Why? Because they do not follow any rule. Got it? Now, to check your understanding of the focus, we have designed two activities. One is there in your book and the other one is there in your practice book, which you can do it with the help of your teacher. And after that, go to your home and do this homework with the help of your parent. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something new today. See you again in the next LIFT. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.